Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare ChatGPT and Perplexity AI free plans in 2025. If you're looking for the best AI research tool to boost your workflow or study work in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. ChatGPT is the leading example of what an AI chatbot can be. Since launching in 2022, it's been pushing the edge of what large language models, LLMs, and large multimodal models, LMMs, are capable of. You can now source data from ChatGPT, do analysis, and create interactive charts, all in a matter of seconds. While Perplexity looks and feels a bit like a chatbot, it's far more focused than ChatGPT. It's an answer engine designed to find and summarize content from the web. While ChatGPT can usually understand from context whether you want to search the web, sometimes it doesn't. If you're not careful, you might think you're getting updated information when you're actually not, because you didn't proactively click the search option. Here's what Perplexity gave me for the same prompt. Perplexity also offers lots of little touches to help you build confidence in the answers it provides. You can also click on the Steps tab to see the search process Perplexity used to find its answers. While this is just one example, the results are the same for other factual or newsworthy prompts. Whatever you ask, Perplexity tends to give a more rounded, referenced answer. This isn't to say that ChatGPT's responses can't be useful, but Perplexity does a better job. Perplexity also gives you control over where it looks for its resources. Large language models are nothing if not flexible. So while Perplexity is at its best answering factual questions, you can get it to do all the other chatbot-y things if you want. Or by using Perplexity's Spaces feature to work with specialized chatbots for tasks like creating social media posts or editing your writing. And like ChatGPT, there's a built-in AI image generator. Perplexity has two different kinds of search, Pro and Basic. A Pro search is deeper, though free users are limited to just 3 queries per day. If you're researching a trip, planning a dinner party, or doing a review for an academic paper, it's a handy way of keeping all the information organized. It may not look all that innovative, but since Perplexity customizes its Discover tab based on all of your searches and chats, it has a higher level of personalization than even Google can offer. ChatGPT is fully multimodal. This means it can respond to audio and image prompts as well as generate audio and images in return. While Perplexity can generate impressive charts with its deep research and labs features, ChatGPT's latest reasoning models are what you need if you're looking for serious analysis. ChatGPT's Canvas feature is great for creative projects. Whether you're writing or coding, Canvas gives you a space to iterate and revise your project. ChatGPT Agent can handle online tasks for you. Whether you're creating spreadsheets, designing slideshows, or just need to order a pizza, ChatGPT Agent do research and take action. That was a basic overview comparison between ChatGPT and Perplexity. And with the above information, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.